what's another hue?
Niggas are sliding right now. But I do plan on,
I feel like an informant.
I ain't gonna lie, when I just for this mic, nigga do be feeling like an informant, dog. But I was I'm gonna get a mount back here.
First, if you gonna put anything up there, redo the top first.
Yeah, probably do it on the side, like on the pillar. But anyways, y'all. So right now, hold on, what's up with the mic, bro? All right, y'all. So right now, I was on Facebook Marketplace, just searching, not expecting to find anything. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And in the midst of me searching, we found some wheels, bruh. Nigga found some wheels, bruh. So I'm gonna put them, damn, in need of a blessing. They all be saying they in need of a blessing.
Talking about a he-she. Need of no blessing.
In need of a blessing, no gay.
No, I thought it said in need of no, because it was no right next to the blessing. Man.
So what was the gay mean?
I don't know. I said no gay. I said no gay on the bottom. You got the footage, man. I mean,
Right. I do got the footage.
Nigga.
Man. All right, y'all. Enough about this he-she shit. So, yo.
You ain't trying to get canceled.
I am not trying to get canceled. I ain't gonna lie, me putting this in the video already canceled. I ain't gonna cut shit. I'm raw as fuck, nigga. No pun intended. Alright, y'all, so we found some wheels on the marketplace, you feel me? And we finna go look at them. And we're gonna go see what it's talking about.
One of it is a 4-door. Gotta be a car.
Alright, y'all. So just enter the plaza right now. Fake don't know where I'm going. So I'll put this away. Alright, let me put y'all away real quick. You don't mind if I record, right? You don't mind if I record, right? Cool.
You get your taxes on that, man. Yeah. I was hoping when you say that. I'm like, damn, it's just inspired, bro.
Yeah. Shit. Welcome back. Good fact.
Shit is tough, bro, because I want to do my back, bro.
That shit hurt? The back hurt?
That's where it's going, yeah. I got my chest. You right about the middle of the chest, right there. But under here hurt too.
A little curb rash, but should be solid.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, you snap. This nigga snap. Yeah. Shit.
Just doing it for the shots real quick, you know. It's for YouTube. Yeah.
That sleep look. It's calm.
Right, cool. Yeah, that's one of that little.
Is it bigger than you? Did you place it against your? Let me see something real quick.
Yeah, in fact, that's what I should do.
It's about the same size. Cause it got that shiny.
Yeah.
That shiny feel.
Facts. What y'all think, y'all? Picked up some new shoes. What you think, bro?
Told you to come get it. That's everything, material included, everything included.
We ran into a problem. The wheels ain't fitting. I really don't want to put the tires in the interior. So I don't know what I'm gonna do.
No.
Only two.
So then put the other two on the floor, fam. You're gonna have to. How'd you put them in?
I could, man. Huh? Trying to keep this bitch icy. Only with like dirt on it, bro.
I'm about to ask this nigga, like, yo, bro, let me get a trash can.
Ain't my people's, nigga. So as y'all can see, we're about to be putting the wheels on the CB. Got the CB. Right now, the tire setup, it's a 235, 45, 17. So there's different. Let me get y'all a little closer, actually, so y'all can see what I'm doing. Bro. All right, bet. So as y'all can see, these are universal wheels. You feel me? Multiple holes, I should say, for different lugs, for different cars. Hey, man, we're going to throw these wheels on, and we're going to see how they look. Oh, which hole? Probably this one. Type shit. But oh yeah, also I picked up these lugs from Advanced Auto. I got them for, why is it like that? Got it online for I think, how much was this? 37 something. If you use the discount code right now in March, you'll get it for the low. So yeah, essential, because these are the OEM lugs and they did not fit. So yeah, why would I want to go through all that? You know what I'm saying? What size is this? 19. Yes, sir. Which is already losing the fucking black, bro. Cheap ass shit. They black, but they already fucking losing the color. I don't know why I thought I was gonna go lower. Huh? Nigga said Honda shit. Facts. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, share, do all that. Helps out the channel. I mean, realistically, I don't know if it helps out the channel, but that's what people say, so I'm gonna just say it too. Fuck it. Make me sound legit, you know what I'm saying? Should need to be riding like, you know, like at least similar. We finna find out. Oh shit. Yo, I be wildin', bro. I be forgetting this is a manual. I be wildin', bro. And it's front wheel drive. Cause I'm used to rear wheel drive, so you know I could get away with shit like this. That shit wasn't even tight. That shit was barely tight. Y'all seen how? Yo. It all depends on the person and what you're doing. For someone, like say like you work on cars all day, you gotta conserve every little bit of energy you got. So it's like, but if you're like a nigga that don't do this shit all day, then yeah. Cause even when this shit is hella close though. Yeah, I think it was because y'all can let me know in the comments. But y'all can let me know in the comments how she's looking, fam. You feel me? She needs to go more low, clearly. But not too much though. It's the daily, so not too much, just enough. Well, nah, cause I can make it like a nah, yeah, right here, like right here is good. Yeah, right here is good. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, right here is good daily. Huh? Yeah, this is my worst tire. This probably be the only one I won't change. Yeah, so it's specific on which hole you use, clearly. Real Chico shit. Need to hit the junkyard today. Need to get them Honda caps, man. These lugs are only gonna be for aftermarket wheels only. I will not be running them on Steelies. No way. Bro, that shit wasn't even tight. looking, man. Oh shit, hold on. There she is. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, this is the setup right now on the CB7. For $130, actually it was $140. For $140, not bad, not bad at all. These wheels they need tires, but to buy a set of wheels with tires for $140, it is kind of unheard of. I'm just not getting back. It took 3 summers. That shit crazy. I had to read between lines, it ain't had nothing. I put the bullshit aside, ran it up. She put her soul in my hands, I just asked to fuck. She see the future in my eyes, I'm just having fun. Casino right, my brother clean, spent his last 200. I don't wanna hear a nigga go do something. How you rapping money, we ain't spending none? How you rapping chickens? Alright, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys enjoy the content, if you guys like the wheels, make sure to like, subscribe. I need center caps. I went to the junkyard trying to find some Honda center caps, but they did not fit. I got the OEM center caps. They're 80-yard design wheels. Shit, I looked them up. They're like old as hell, like 14 years old from everything I could find. But yeah, they can go. They're supposed to go in like this. And I'm not gonna lie, it'll make it look a lot better, high key. But I only got 2 of them, and I feel like that'll look tacky having just 2 in there. But that's why I need that Honda center cap, because low key, it'll look a lot better with a center cap. But yeah, this look good, bruh. But anyways, as always, man, this is Joseph Venture. I'm out of here. Keep the head, I got Tennessee sticking. You remember me like